Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to blur a photo in a story on Instagram. If you want to blur an entire photo, just open Instagram and swipe right to open the story camera. Swipe left on the filters until you find the browse effects, then tap on it and search for the blur effect. Click a photo or upload one from your camera roll, then tap the effects icon at the bottom or the top and select the saved blur effect, then tap done to share your story. If you want just to blur a face, open your story camera and go to browse effects. Search for the face blur effect, and for example face blur by Better Than Loving You. Just capture a photo or upload one and apply to the face blur effect. Then tap done to share your story. And finally, if you want to blur a background, just go to browse effects and search for blur background. Capture or upload a photo and use the background blur effect. Just tap done and post your story. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.